What is going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel Robinhood. This is Bob. Today is Sunday, October 4th. Today, guys, we're going to talk about my 11th week of investing in Simon Property Group and also have a detailed explanation on my long-term strategy of owning 400 shares of Simon Property Group. So let's get started. So on Friday, Simon Property Group were trading really low at negative 3.8%, but it went all the way up to positive 2.78%. If you look at the week, they are up 3.68%. For the month, they are down 3.65%. The 3-month, they are down 2.63%. And the year, they are still down 54.67%. I still strongly believe that they can get in between the $90 to $100 range, hopefully by the end of this year, if they are open, if we have good news, some type of vaccine or very, very close to a vaccine, and the malls are all open around the holiday season, end of November, December, Christmas. But if not, hopefully they can get to the $90 to $100 range by sometime early next year, if not mid next year. So let me show you my long-term strategy for Simon Property Group. So I currently have 400 shares of Simon Property Group. I don't plan on going over that long term. So I'm going to give you an example. If you had 400 shares of Simon Property Group at $68, your total investment would be $27,200. So in 1 year, if that price did not change, you would have the same amount of money. So in this 400 shares, if the dividend payout stayed the same, they didn't cut it, they didn't raise it, but just stayed exactly the same. They do have 4 payouts in a year. So you would get a dividend payout of $520 per quarter, which equals out to $2,080 a year. And then here, when you do own this many shares, anything 100 or over, you do want to try to sell some type of calls. You can be as safe as you want to be. So I picked a very safe option. So if you have a new option to pick, it's 1 month out each time. This is being very conservative. $50 per option that you can get. You can pick out a $15 strike price passed on whatever it's at and get $50 per option. So if you did it the safe route, you can make $200 a month by doing this, by owning 400 shares. And in 1 year, you can make $2,400 just by being very conservative with your option shares. But if it does go up $15 and you have to sell the stocks, 15 times 400, that's a lot of money. You wouldn't be very sad if you did have to sell it, but making that type of profit within a month. So this is a total profit with no change at all. You would make $4,480 per year just holding on to 400 shares of this stock if it did not move. So we'll go to worst case scenario if it did move down. So if you took the total profit divided by the shares, it equals 11.2. So if this stock dropped $11.20, it would be $56.80. You would basically break even. Of course, I know you have to add taxes and everything for the dividends, but I'm just making it straight and simple. So if it did go down to $56.80, in theory, just off dollar for dollar, you would basically break even. So I don't see this stock going down anywhere near this far. I think the lowest it went was $54. But even when it did go that price, it jumped right back up within a few weeks. So this is my strategy here. Just doing this, being conservative. I might not be this conservative, but if you are going to be conservative, you can make basically $4,440 a year just by holding on to the stock without doing anything to this. So that is my long-term strategy. Like I said, I'm sticking with 400 shares. I'm doing my other videos with the margins. If you've been watching that, I am buying and selling, but that's not my long-term with Simon Property Group for that. So if we do look at my spreadsheet here, I ended up just buying out or selling out all of my calls that I've had. I bought it definitely 1 week too early, so I ended up losing $392, $31, 66 bucks. I did gain $12. So just in these quick calls that I bought, which I usually don't buy calls, I did lose $477 doing this, but I did gain on this end here. So from that week, I did gain $1,674 profit total for the 11th week. So I did lose here, but I did gain it back here. So far, my total profit including my dividend pay, my option wheel strategy that I did have a profit of $2,985, and I do plan on selling calls sooner than later. Probably in this week, I will probably do it. If the stock goes up to anything 70 or above, I will do probably an $80 to $85 strike price to try to get $40 to $60 in premium per option. So that is my wheel system I have here. That's my total profit. You guys seen my long-term strategy. So hopefully Monday, I do hope it is going to be a green day. It actually might start out a little low and then work its way up like it did on Friday. So that is all for today, guys. If you did like the channel, like what you see and hear, definitely please hit the like. I am almost at my 100 subscription goal. Comment below if you have any questions or any thing you want to say, and also hit the like. Thank you guys. You guys have a good day.